for those of you who have headphones, I'm sorry. So you're going to be listening to us from here. We're going to switch on the speakers, and if you can't hear on the headphones, you probably won't be able to hear us. If you can hear me, very good. Can you hear me? I'll be good. Are we good? Fantastic. So I'll DJ 1 minute, 2 minutes of music, and then we start. So I'm super excited.
I'm able to be because it was anyways, I'm super excited to be here. It's been a long time coming.
Alright, so I feel that this is one of the very few events where we have a lot of people gather, and about 95% of the person have gotten it. Everybody feels good out, coming to see something like this, and they're excited to be here tonight. So, I'm going to take it back to this album. I'll be with this album, one of the songs that I loved on the album was featuring Sound Sultan and Coca. And so I wanted to just tell us, what was the reception, obviously, because after that, you know, a lot of things happened.
Funmi Lowo is my jam, by the way. I'm not sure I should start from when the song was produced. Anyways, it's my jam. It had an original that featured Sadauda, and then we just felt like we needed to take it much higher. And then I reached out to Sound Sultan. He's so rest in peace.
Man.
Such an amazing human being. Okay. Anyways, reached out to him. He was like, I like the jungle. I know that Coca, they jumped on it. I think we had the remix within the space of 4 days. And as soon as we had it, Coca was like, let's shoot video. This song is going to make it. Let's shoot video. See, that's how we shot video. Went to Abeokuta. Sound Sultan is amazing. Not one single complaint that I'm A-list. I'm this. Look. Amazing guy. Shot the video and put it out. He did really, really good, and I would say that that's one song that sort of like elevated my career.
I mean, the one we had is one, right?
Yes, for best alternative song.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for having me. Thank you so much. So, I remember back then you were with Baseline.
Yes.
Baseline music.
Yes.
And after that, we just started going. It was off Baseline music. Was it a contract that ended, or?
The contract ended in 2019, and the year that the contract ended, I just decided not to put out any music anymore because I was just, everybody knows how this living thing is. I was just tired, you know, and it was a very, very conscious decision. I knew it was going to hurt me in a way, but at the end of the day, I was looking for peace. You know, I wanted to live in a very peaceful manner, and I didn't want to at the same time burn bridges, because you just never know.
You just felt like there was a lot that was going on at that point.
Yeah, there was a lot going on at the time, but I just wanted to live peacefully. So I told myself I wasn't going to put out any more music until the contract was over. Yes, and that was exactly what I did.
I actually observed that for about almost a year you didn't release one album in Lagos.
Yeah. Okay, what do you want to single?
Single.
Okay, because I released Suitcase on the Baseline.
Yeah.
But I think it was just 2019 that was a very defining moment for me. I was just done, and around that time, I felt for you.
Oh, shit. Okay, so ARAMIDE, you felt pregnant.
In the right way.
I know your husband is a back-end person, he's always a quiet person. So, when you got pregnant, I'm sure the first thing that came to mind was, okay, I'm pregnant. There's the music. How do I want to do this too? So when you felt pregnant, what was the decision? Did you have a plan?
See, at the time, I wasn't even thinking about the music because it was still in 2019. So I just felt like, you know what, I have this break. This is the right time to do this now. And I didn't want to mix it up with anything that was stressing. You know, that's exactly what I did. And I think sometime that year I put out music with Reminisce. You know, I just put it out because I didn't want to like just disappear completely from the scene. You know, and after then I traveled, was out of the country for a while, and I came back and the pandemic happened. Yes.
I mean, the pandemic hit everything.
Everything. So you know, when I came back, we were supposed to have our annual show conversation. Everything was we had already prepared. I spent money that we cashed out from this show or more. 2 weeks before the show, there was lockdown for like 4 or 5 months, and that's how we're looking at ourselves and looking at the IVs and tapping.
A lot of gone into it.
A lot had gone into it. But the thing, the bright side for me was I just had a baby. I wasn't even going to jump on the road immediately. You know, I took my time, and I think for me, it was a good time for me. That at least the first 6 months was a good time for me to just settle into motherhood.
Right. I also just think that while you're going through that, we have a news of you, becoming a member of the board for the Grammys.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us how did that happen?
Okay, that actually happened. Was it that same year? I think it was earlier in 2019. I was already a member of the Grammys, and then taking it a notch higher, I became a board member of the Washington DC chapter. I don't know whether I should say how it happened exactly. It should have happened here.
It doesn't just
I don't want to tell you how it happened. It happened.
Okay, so how does it feel being like on the board?
It feels amazing because you can lend your voice to things that are happening in that particular community.
It doesn't affect the fact that you're Nigerian or you have to be under Washington DC.
It has to be under Washington DC chapter, but I get to I can put forth something that I want to push, something that I really want to be amplified. Although it takes years, it takes time, but I can push forth something like, okay, why don't we have more genres for the African category? Why don't we have this? Why don't we have that? It takes time, but eventually, like with more push, yeah.
So how many Nigerians do we have on that board?
Okay, in DC, I don't know about other chapters. In DC, I was only in Nigeria there.
Let's put your hands together for me.
Thank you very much.
I want to Grammy.
Thanks.
So right now, after the break is hard,
Yeah.
we decided to come back, for the bittersweet experience. And I saw a picture of where she was literally back in her Delta studio trying to record a song. So tell me, I'm juggling motherhood and music and trying to give us this fantastic EP. I've only been able to listen to the Down For You, the one that you was with.
Yes.
I was putting on all of this we have Peruzzi also on the EP.
So you see, that picture where I was backing my daughter Angela, she was crying that day. Like, it was just crazy. Like,
Was there voice on the recording?
look, Sizzle Pro, she removed her voice.
Where's Suzuko?
Sizzle Pro.
You wicked.
Removed my daughter's voice. Thank you. Anyways, I think we were recording that particular song. We were recording Down For You, and she was just making the process long. Like, she wouldn't let anybody carry her. The person that came with me, she won't let her carry her. It was just becoming long and stressful. You know, I was getting late, it was getting cold, and did it rain that? I can't remember if it rained that day. Anyways, I was just like, yes, give me the wrapper. I just back and she kept quiet. But the thing is, we had to like we had like multiple takes because there were times I would sing and she'd I was singing and she'd then she couldn't touch her. All these kind of things. And so we had to like do multiple takes to have the song. Yeah.
Fantastic. So we have a title, Bitter Sweet.
Yes.
Is that coming from a personal experience?
Mostly.
Sometimes you want to share a little bit?
It's actually from most of the songs on the EP are actually from personal experiences, things that I see around me, things that I monitor, things that I watch, things that I have the opportunity to be a part of. Yes.
So we just have 2 features on the song, on the EP.
Yes.
Boyfriend, is boyfriend around?
Boyfriend around.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
of course,
they're twins actually. The 2 of them, they're identical. Yes.
Yeah, and of course we also have Peruzzi.
We have Peruzzi, should be on his way too.
So how did you get to this? Put both of them on. So when I had the one for Peruzzi, I was like, Peruzzi on the ARAMIDE. In my mind, I'm like, okay, so tell
I'm
me.
here today.
Alright, so tell me, what was it like?
Okay, so which one of the start with? Peruzzi or what? Okay, so the Down For You is out. It's the first single of the EP. When I started trying to record, when I started trying to go back like into the whole music thing, record, it was tough, you know, I was still breastfeeding, it was just really stressful. So my friend Osagi,
Shout out to Osagi.
Yeah, it's shout out to Osagi. You know, so I think I was telling her about it, and we had always talked about me working with it, like apart from working with Sizzle Pro, she always wanted me to work with other producers, she wanted me to have like different experiences with other people. So she gave me Type A's number, that's one of the producers in that song. She gave me his number, and then I reached out to him, and I told him, I want something different. I said, see, I want something different, you know. I want something different that does not sound like me but sounds like me at the same time. And he was like, don't worry, I know what you want. Like usually when you tell producers that they already understand what you're trying to say, you don't want to sound like you, but you don't want people to forget, like when people hear, you don't want people to say, who is this? It's not like yeah, so producers get that. So it didn't take so long, he sent me something, he sent me the beat of Down For You. Initially when I heard it, I was like, this R&B beats now, what am I even going to do? Then around that time, my friend TUC, I don't know if he's here, he's also a producer. Is he here?
Is he here?
He's on his way. My friends are on the way, you guys are so silly. You guys are my friends, like my co-collaborators and so anyways, TUC came to the, I told him that, okay, Season 4 was in Jos at the time. I told him that I wanted to learn how to record myself, produce, because I was just so used to seeing him do everything. It was like whenever he comes to Lagos, he would come to the house or would get the studio, depending on the noise around and all of that. So he told me, see, why don't you talk to Caesar and why don't you talk to TUC and tell him to put this software on your laptop and then teach you and all that. And then TUC came one day, taught me how to just navigate the whole thing. You know, I actually took notes. So if I forget something, I just go back and say, okay, so I'm not getting it because I didn't go back to I don't take the go school, so that kind of thing. So anyways, so TUC taught me how to record myself. And then one day, when my daughter was sleeping, I said to distracting me. Sorry, distracting. I cannot talk until you use the stage. Anyways, yes.
That's our husband, by the way.
Anyways, so TUC put me through, and then one day I just locked myself up in the room in my house where I just record, and I started trying, I started working on the verses, and immediately I got something. I could just first, the first person I said anything to Sizzle Pro, what do you think about this? I was like, ah, it's good, let's continue writing, and then we continue, and then the day I wanted to record it, I got to TUC. Yeah? And I shout out to the identical. You guys don't really need it.
Well, we're going to be able to put your hands together, put your hands together.
But then, there are two actually.
You want to see you guys?
Please, I want to see your face. Yeah, so I'm putting your glasses at the same time. Wow, I'm thinking about putting your hands together.
Hello, everybody. Thank
you guys for coming. So we got into the studio and he liked the vibe, and he was like, some of my guys are around, you try to hold them so that TC just wanted me to vibe because he knew I was just trying to get back into the whole thing. Because like, let me get other people in the studio so that you feel ginger and all. And that was how we came into the studio. And then we just vibed, and then next thing, after listening to everything, I was like, I think we should actually put them on the song. Because some other people on my team were like, no, we should put some other people. I said, let's put these guys on the song because it sounds so original. Because it would pain me if you give it to someone else and it doesn't sound as good. Let's just give it to them. And that's how they came through, killed it. You guys got something to that.
Wow. Well, put your hands together for how long they
Thank you.
What is something like so common?
Everything. My friend was saggy again. Was saggy, where are you?
What is that?
We are here. Was saggy? So the song, we are featuring Peruzzi. I've had that song before, and it was supposed to be on an album. We just didn't know what album we were going to put the song. Yes. So I remember the first time she heard it, she actually recorded the song. What happened? Okay, so everyone on my team was like, we should put the rapper on the song, we should put the rapper. And I was like, yeah, I don't hear a rapper. Actually, hear a singer. In fact, I hear me, that's what I said. I hear only me on this song. And he was like, I really think that if you put somebody, I don't know what the person's name, put this thing, actually, I said, look, I really think that we should put a singer. And anytime something enters my head like that, every time I stand by it, I'm always very right.
Okay, so I'm going to allow you to stop there.
Okay.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to listen to the very first song on the EP, ARAMIDE Bitter Sweet. Music and what have you. Thank you very much.
Entertainers, sometimes you go back home feeling cold, like nobody can you because you're giving your entire life to your craft. Forgetting that there's this other aspect of life that actually exists that you have to pay attention to. So for me, that song was actually born from I went to Yankee one time. I was supposed to do a tour, and we did a few things, and the promoter was just doing us like this throughout in fact it was not straightforward, but we just rocked it because we are here, let's just do it. So there was one particular day that I called Peruzzi and I said I think that we should. I called her and I took Moyo as well. Yeah. Shout out to Moyo. It's good to have Moyo. Moyo, she brought the thing simple to me. That was Moyo. Anyways, we all decided that we just didn't want to do the tour anymore because it was beginning to get so stressful. So there was one day I was just really, really sad. I was just like, all everybody from Nigeria, just do a few places and this. At that point, playback was not even an option. It was just okay. There were other things to look forward to. There were other things to like hustle and stuff. But I was just really in a bad place, and then I started to write this song. I think Nikki was there when I wrote. I think I wrote the song in space. Yes, I think I wrote the song in space for 13 years. That's how sad I was. Like it just came out, and when everyone heard it, they were like, when Cecil heard it, he fell in love with the song immediately. And he was like, I know how this song should actually sound. I know how it should sound. And every time he tells me something like he's my what's that thing? Like sound. Every time he tells me something, I always like this sounds good because I really trust his judgment on especially when it comes to like music. And then there's so much about this song that I'm very attached to it in so many ways. So when I came back to Nigeria after I had my baby, right? I really wanted to record again. I wanted to go back to the studio, but I needed a place that I could carry my daughter. So I needed a big place that she can just play along. So we spoke to me about it, and it was like, there's this guy that doesn't stay far from your house. His studio is in the house, and then he has a sitting room. She can even come with her walker. She can come with everything. So I was really excited. So we went there, and then we met him, and we booked the session. We started recording. You know, the reason why I had recorded the song, the reason why I was re-recording was because Sizzle was robbed in Abuja, and everything we had recorded disappeared. Like, everything was stolen from his laptop, his hard drive, everything was gone. So my biggest move was, you know, like when you record a song, you don't know if you're going to get these emotions.
So, you've spoken about always mentioned the story about the
Just before I really want to say thank you to everyone that came out here this evening. Thank you so much. I'm sure you had a lot of other things to say. Thank you for coming to celebrate with me. I really appreciate you. Also to my fellow artists and colleagues. My name is Faye. Thank you for coming. Because I love you. Please, thank you, Leo. Thank you. Thank you guys for coming. I really love you. We love you. Okay, so oh yeah, so yeah, so everyone was saying that, okay, they hear you rap. I said, okay. So, in fact, I hear you. That's what I hear in my head. So I told Osagi, I think it was something I told Osagi, said, don't worry, just like the song. Osagi, just say, don't worry, fast. Osagi. Anyways, so I think she tried to get either Hale or Peruzzi on the song. She got Peruzzi on the it's like it wasn't even what I was expecting. It wasn't even what I was hearing. It wasn't what I was hearing. You know, but I'm just really, really happy that I stuck to my guns and pushed for singing. And by the way, Bound for You is a sweet song. So that's one of the sweet songs of the album. And yeah, well, let me tell you the story before we. Okay, so one day, Susan Pro calls me. I was like, I have an idea of a song, new idea. I was like, what? He was like, this song, I love you, new idea. So I asked, what's the idea? So he now told me that, you know how these girls that, I don't know, maybe you saw it on Twitter or one of those trending things. It's like, you know how these girls that they'll be dating somebody, but the person has another person. Somebody's like, I think so. So I was asking, so this time I don't have to insert myself into this thing. So the story is about a girl called Peach. She's very homely, very cool, wash clothes, counts down, anyways, that was a long story short. The guy in question had another baby. But all his friends, his mother and son are like, every time they want to go to Jackie Walk, anytime they want to, the mother wants to go to the market. So he has been looking for like this guy another baby. This guy that who has a group. So what decided to ask him another. So in the song, Peruzzi is trying to clarify it that we don't have this in our
okay, so Bye.